Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of YesStyle. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about YesStyle and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.